Hello students, welcome to this session of reducing the equations to simpler form. This topic is based on linear equation in one variable. First, what is linear equation? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear equation. Here we are going to discuss how to reduce the equations to simpler form. First, we multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominators of the terms. We apply a suitable property so that all the variable terms come on LHS and constant terms on RHS. Then combining like terms on both sides of the equation, finally we get some solution. Finally, we have to check the solution for the suitable validity also. Here what is given? X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. This is our given equation. Variable we have LHS and RHS, constant value also we are having LHS and RHS. So first we have to change the variable value one side and the constant value one side. Then only we have to simplify the solution. Okay, first we have to take x by 2 value, LHS value. Now transposing the x by 3 value to LHS. So the symbol also automatically changed, x by 3. What is our RHS value? Already we are having 1 by 4. Now we have to move the minus 1 by 5 value to RHS, so that is plus 1 by 5. Now look at the equation. Different denominators only we are having. When we add or subtract two values, we need the same denominators only. So we have to take LCM, or easily we have to apply cross multiplication method. Now I am going to apply cross multiplication method. So 3 into x, 3x. Minus 2 into x, 2x, divided by 2 into 3. What is the value? 6. Same procedure. 5 into 1, 5, plus 4 into 1, 4, divided by, what is the value? 4 into 5, that is 20. 3x minus 2x, 1x, we have to write directly x. X by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. Now we need x value only, no? So we have to move the denominator value to RHS. So x is equal to 9 into 6 divided by 20. These two values are multiples of 2. So we have to cancel the values. 2 3s are 2 10s are. So x is equal to 9 3s are 27 divided by 10. Therefore, the required solution is 27 by 10 is equal to x. That's all. Next problem. Solve the following linear equation. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. It is a linear equation since it involves linear expressions only. We have to first check the value, denominator values. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Different denominators only. So we can't add the values or subtract the values directly. So first we have to take LCM. That is our first step. Okay. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 6? Given equation, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. We have to take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. What is the value actually? We have to calculate the LCM for 2, 4, 6. First select the least divisor, that is 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Again choose the value 2. So 2 1s are 2. We can't divide the value 3, no, so directly write the value 3. Next select the divisor 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now we multiply the value 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. What is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12 only. Okay. So we change all the denominators in the value 12. What is our first value? N by 2. We have to change the denominator value 12. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator using the value 6. Okay. What is our next value? 3n by 4. Again we have to convert the value 4 into 12. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator using the number 3. Next third value 5n by 6. Again we have to convert the denominator value 6 into 12. So we have to multiply the value using the value 2, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 is equal to 21. Now 6 into n, 6n by 12. 3 into 3, 9n by 12. 5 into 2, what is the symbol? Plus 10n by 12 is equal to 21. Now we have a common denominator 12. So add or subtract the numerator values. So what is the value? 6n minus 9n plus 10n. RHS value 21. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 9, what is the value? 7n. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Now we have to cancel the LHS value and RHS value. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. So we need a n value, no? So we have to use cross multiplication method. N is equal to 12 into 3. What is the value? 36. So n equal to 36. This is the required solution. That's all. In the same problem, we have to check the solution. Actually, for the equation n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. For this equation, what is the solution? N equal to 36. We have to check the solution. Okay. So, we have to apply the n value in this equation. So, how can we write n by 2? 1 by 2 into n minus, again we have to write 3 by 4 into n. The same 5 by 6 into n. What is our n value? Actually 1 by 2 into n value 36 minus 3 by 4 into 36 plus 5 by 6 into 36. We check the answer. Okay. 2 1s are, 2 18s are, 4 1s are, 4 9s are, 6 1s are, 6 6 are. We have to cancel the values. Now 1 into 18, 18 minus 3 into 9 minus 27. 5 into 6, 30. Okay. Now we have to add the value. 30 plus 18. What is the value? 48. 48 minus 27. 48 minus 27. The answer is 21. What is our RHS value? 21. So it is equal to RHS. So our solution is correct. Okay. Next problem. Solve the equation m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So transposing the variable value to LHS and keep the constant value to RHS. Okay. So what is our LHS value? m minus 1 by 2, transposing the minus m minus 2 by 3 to LHS. So plus m minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Now look the LHS value, different denominators only we are having. First value directly m only we have to take, that is m by 1. So what is the LCM value for 1, 2 and 3? LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is 6 only. So we have to convert all the denominators value into 6. So m by 1. We have to multiply this value, multiply the numerator and the denominator using the value 6. Next value m minus 1 by 2. Multiply the numerator and the denominator using the value 3. Next value m minus 2 by 3. Again multiply the numerator and denominator using the value 2, because 3 into 2 only 6. Okay. What is our RHS value? 1. Multiply the numerator value 6 into m, 6m. Divided by 6 into 1, 6. Minus, what is the value? 3 of m minus 1 divided by 6. Next one plus 2 of m minus 2 by 6 is equal to 1. Okay. Common denominator is 6. Numerator value 6m minus 3 into m, 3m. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. 2 into m, 2m. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 6m minus 3m, 3m. 3m plus 2m, what is the value? 5m. 3 minus 4, what is the value? Minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have to use cross multiplication method. So 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. Now 5m is equal to transposing the minus 1 value to RHS. So 6 plus 1. What is the value? 7. 5m is equal to 7. So what is our m value? 7 by 5. This is the required solution of this equation. M equal to 7 by 5. That's all.